What's up, guys? It's our second video for Tutorial Tuesday. Today, we're not really showing off a magic trick, more of just a shuffle that a lot of people do, and it is the bridge shuffle. I'm sure you've seen it at least once. Here's what it looks like. And it's not too difficult. It's a little hard to do on like slippery or stiff cards, but it's overall pretty easy. So the first step, probably maybe the easiest step, I'm not sure, is just doing the riffle. Alright, so here's how you do it, alright? So you cut the deck in half, and you want to put your finger, so you want your bottom three fingers on the bottom of the cards. You want your pointer finger to be right in the middle of the cards where you can bend it, and your thumb should be on the top of the cards. So you can bend it like this. Same with the other hand. So you should be holding it like this. The next step is still holding it. You want to bend it, and just the cards will, if you bend it enough, the cards will just come down out off of your thumb. And then you can just do that part separately, or you can do the next part, which is the bridge part. So the bridge part's probably the hardest part in this whole shuffle, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too hard. So once you have the riffle part down, you want to riffle, and then you want to take your two thumbs and then just put them on the top card, all right? Your bottom fingers will just be on the edge, and then you just want to let go with your bottom fingers. I'll show you one more time, because it doesn't look very good when you're trying to do it slow, and it's kind of hard to do it slow, but so you just shuffle it, put your finger on the top card. You got it shuffled like this. You put your thumbs on the top card, just like so, and then you just want to, your fingers on the edge, you just let go with your fingers, and it just comes all together. That's pretty much just a step-by-step tutorial of the on the riffle shuffle. Comment down below if you figured it out. Bye.